You were showing me some tools before this.
Yeah, I would be carrying out
How easy, like you were saying, what's the cost and how easy, like can anyone, like we also tried creating influencers, but the photo realistically, I mean, how low the cost can get and how easy can it get is something that I wonder. What do you
right now. I have been I've been generating this for free, so there has not been any cost to me.
Yeah.
Okay, so I found this code. This runs on Google Colab, uh, and I don't have to put the code in my local system. I don't have to get any GPUs to run this. I just run this code. Okay, and this is hosted on Creative. So again, everything is open source. I just get this tool and it's fairly simple to use. I just have to enter the prompt here. There are some settings. So basically, I can choose speed, quality, let's say quality, then the image size, how many number of images I want to generate, then style. So let's say I want a better picture, focus, enhanced. These are the models. So I am on tech. I don't understand any of it, right? So I'm not touching these. And anyway, it says advanced, so I'm not touching this either. So if I have to put the prompt here, I was just looking through these mid-journey portrait prompts. Someone was teaching something, right? Let's copy any of these.
I guess like after this podcast, a lot of people will start creating AI influences by using the similar tool without like incurring any cost.
But like we lightly discussed, creation is just one part of it. Value generation and connecting with people that are also thick. Like what do you do now that
Let's say if I post it as it is, and I just uncheck everything. Oh, sorry. And I'll ask him to generate, two images. So it takes its time, but now it will give me some two images of the same person.
So how easy it is now, you can see, right? Like we found one open source model. We did not have to build any application. We did not have to deploy our model. We did not have to like edit our GPUs, and you are able to test it out like freely, right? And if somebody wants to do it very seriously, of course they can just pay for Google Colab and try and.
for now it is free, but is there a possibility this can get paid? I don't think so, right? It's open source.
The model is open source, of course. The platform that we are running it on is Google Colab, which is for researchers, right? So probably that can get paid. So you'll have to pay them to run this.
I already have Pro, just for disclosure's sake. So that is why. Otherwise, it's just $12 per month. If you just want to consider that cost, then be it.
Yeah.
Wow. So it is generating it in real time and there are multiple sizes. So for Instagram,
And there's no way you can probably just by looking at it, you can identify this is not a real person.
you used to run a design business before this. How much time will a designer take to create this?
You cannot create humanistic images by hand. Of course, you need to be an artist to create that. And of course, it will take a lot of time for you to fine tune everything, right? So humanistically, it's a really time engrossing problem.
Can we see a finished image?
Yeah, this one is finished. So both of these will be similar. So I've just generated.
And you can see the shadows as well, like the clarity of generation. Like there's some light falling on the hair of, and the shadow of it falling on the shoulder. So it's all natural. It's not something that you can see.
That absolutely depends on the prompt. So I've like copy pasted a prompt from some person's.
Exactly. Probably
And
going
if
forward,
they're creating some images and you have interesting prompts, put it in the chat also, so that other people can try the prompts and create.
So I just googled portrait prompts. So people have given all these tips of making the portraits better, facing the camera, shoulder level, even the camera lens you can put. So you might have to get in. Yeah. So these are the two
So
images.
that's the level
Yeah,
of fine tuning you
exactly
could do.
alike.
Yeah.
Now I can also create more images with different, like I can make this person play any kind of sport, climb the tallest building in the world. I just have to put that image here and then face swap it. So like it's very easy. I just have to put the image here and I have to say that generate the
That's what we call a deep fake. But we will keep that discussion for a separate podcast.
yeah, no, deepfake is where you think someone like real person's face onto something, but
Yeah.
this is
But this is
this person does not exist. The person we have generated right now. This is just another
and
a new face.
But you can just create a deep fake using this, right? If I take
Yeah. Yes.
very easily, very easily.